Hi, this is Dale with BestEasyWork.com. I'm an independent rep. This is me. It's not an AI-generated thing. If it were, it would be much better looking, I promise you. I've been in this guy's shoes. How's that job working out? You might have been overlooked for a promotion. You might get your hours cut. You might have had to file for unemployment or take time away for something. And this lady here, trapped in the corporate world, doesn't know where she's going to go, paying for gas, and she might be a mom that wants to stay home, be with her kids. And as far as retirement plan, this lady probably did everything that she needed to do right, but still, things are not working out. And sometimes we feel like this and like we're dying or drowning. And of course, are these guys going to take care of us? Not a chance. You just sometimes wonder how long Social Security is going to last, who's going to, live or die in your family, and you got to plan ahead a little bit. This is actually me walking around thinking about the same thing here. What if you could start brand new here with a company that's been around, 10 years now? Yes, you can enjoy $500 days, sometimes a lot more, and we'll show you how exactly. Go on vacations, retire in style. There's no recruiting necessary. It's an automated system, and yes, you can get paid daily. And did I mention it is absolutely free to join? There's no excuses why you can't do this. It's besteasywork.com/voices everywhere. And I put this lady's face here again. I have her on a different video as the thumbnail. Watch that video, find it, and I got the link here somewhere. And that will lead you to another place where you can watch the owner of the company explain things. I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.